Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are continuing with the direct and inverse variation. So to begin the lesson, I'm just going to write down the phrases that you can come across when you get questions on direct and inverse variation. You get a phrase that says varies directly as, and you also get a phrase that says is directly proportional, is directly proportional, proportional to. So both of these you get them under direct variation, and you also get phrases that says varies inversely as, and also is inversely proportional to, and these two you find them under inverse variation. So alpha is our proportional or sign of proportion sign, and whenever you remove the sign of proportion, you introduce a constant with an equal sign in the letter K, which is our constant. So here we're just going to look at a couple of examples. I just want to show you the difference between direct and inverse variation, right? Okay, if you have a question that says y varies directly with, that is also another instance. If it's not as, it's with. Okay, y varies directly with x, which means they are on the same line. And if it said y varies inversely, then it means it will be varying with the reciprocal of x, like this. That is the difference between inverse and direct variation, right? Okay, so here we say y is equal to k, x, and this constant is multiplied by the letter or the variable on that side. And now it says, the question says, if y is equal to -4 when x is equal to 2, this is what you need to do. You need to find the value of k. Here you substitute x, and here you substitute y, and you divide both sides by 2, and here you get -2 is equal to k. So now your equation will look like this: y is equal to -2x, and the question says find y when x is equal to -6. So now you come to the equation, you substitute x with -6, and you get y being equal to 12. So you'll be done with this question. I'm going to look at a question on inverse variation. It says y varies inversely as x, which means it's with the reciprocal of x. Reciprocal of x, that's the inverse of x, which is 1 over x. If y is equal to 40 when x is equal to 16, find x when y is equal to -5. So here we're going to introduce a constant, and that k is going to be multiplied to this one, and you get k over x. Now you substitute. Here you put 40 and here you put 16, and now you find the value of k by multiplying both sides by 16, which means 16 times 40, here that's 24, and here that's 4 plus 2, that's 6, so 640 is the value of k. Now your equation looks like this: y is equal to 640 over x. Now you can find the value of x when y is equal to 5. Now here you put minus 5 is equal to 640 over x. If you multiply both sides by x, you're going to get minus 5x is equal to 640, and then you divide both sides by minus 5. 5 into this, that's 1, remainder 1, into this, that's 2, remainder 4, and 5 into that, that's 8. So your answer here will be minus 128. Minus 128. So these are the two examples I had for you in this lesson. I just want you to go through the exercise that I gave you earlier on direct variation and inverse variation, so that we can proceed to joint and partial variation. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.